What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are subscribers, you know we just picked up this 2022 Acura MDX Type S in Apex Blue. So I just wanted to speak a little bit about the sales experience that I had at Don Ayres Acura in Fort Wayne, Indiana. So let's get into it. All right, so let's get into it. So we're in the market for a 2022 Acura MDX. We don't exactly know what the spec is yet, but we're looking for an MDX. We see some Apex out there. We see some Type S's out there. The market's actually starting to turn around, so prices are starting to come down a little bit more so in the line of what you would expect, or at least what I would expect to pay for a pre-owned vehicle. So yeah, the new stuff is still crazy out there for the new stuff. The new stuff is still up there. So you talk about negotiations, forget about it. You might get a little bit, but not a lot. Forget about it. All right, so we're looking for the MDX. We come across the MDX Type S. Check a little bit into the listing. This car is located in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Okay, so give the dealership a call, and I'll run into my man, Daniel Guzman. Man, what a cool dude, to say the least. The man went to bat, okay? He went to bat. He was thorough throughout the entire process. Thorough, professional, top-notch customer service. So I will say, if you happen to come across an Acura or are searching for an Acura, and you're in that area or willing to make a flight and a drive like I did, I flew over, I think it was close to, was it like an hour and a half or so, 2 hours, somewhere in that range, and drove back roughly about 10 hours. And I tell you, it was worth it, period, point blank. So yeah, I flew in, get to the airport, Daniel comes, he picks me up in the Type S. I get to drive it back to the dealership. Great opportunity to test drive at that point. Pull up to the dealership and we get to go in at the paperwork. So at the dealership is the Acura NSX Type S, the red version, okay? You can check it out right here. You see it for yourself. It's looking crispy, it's looking nice. I think the general manager owns that one, so it wasn't up for sale or anything like that. Not that we could get a Type S, but we got this Type S, to say the least. So yeah, we go through the process, very thorough, just 100% professional, 100% customer service. Great experience. The man's over there, he's doing his thing. So again, if you are in the market, if you're in the market for an Acura, hit this guy up, Daniel Guzman, okay? Hit this man up. He'll take care of you. Tell him BT sent you, okay? Tell him BT sent you. So for that, just wanted to let all the employees over at Don Ayres Acura, let them know that I appreciated the entire experience. I appreciated the professionalism, appreciated the customer service. It was a great trip and worth every second, as much as it was a quick one. I was in there, we talked for a little bit, and I was out of it. I had to hit the road so I can get back home, but the experience was good. So as you see, we got another blue boy here in the Acura family. We call him the little brother of the NSX. So you know, it's your boy BT, and with that, this video is a wrap. Catch you guys on the next one.